In this video, I will show you how to block adult websites in Chrome. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Chrome app on your device. Once you have opened that up, you want to tap on these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will find different options. Scroll all the way down and find the option of settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, under basic section, you're going to find privacy and security. Tap on this option. Now scroll down. Here you should find the option of use secure DNS. Tap on that. Make sure that you have toggled this option on. Now what you want to do is select the option of choose another provider. Now you want to tap on this drop down. Here you should find the option of clean browsing family filter. Go ahead and select that. Once you have selected this option, you can simply head back, and in this way you can easily block adult websites in Chrome. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.